Hello students, this video is about the poem Another Woman. It is written by Imtiaz Tharkar. It reflects the human relations in our society. Now listen the poem carefully. Another Woman poem. This morning she bought green methi in the market, choosing the freshest bunch, picked up a white radish, imagined the crunch it would make between her teeth, the sweet sharp taste, then put it aside, thinking it an extravagance, counted her coins out carefully, tied them a small bundle into her sari at the waist, came home, faced her mother-in-law's dark looks, took the leaves and chopped them. Her hands stained yellow from the juice, cut an onion, fine and cooked the whole thing in the pot over the stove, shielding her face from the heat. The usual words came and beat their wings against her. The money spent, curses heaped upon her parents who had sent her out to darken other people's doors. She crouched as usual on the floor beside the stove. When the man came home, she did not look into his face nor raise her head, but bent her back a little more. Nothing gave her the right to speak. She watched the flame hiss up and beat against the cheap old pot. A wing of brightness against its blackened cheek. This was the house she had been sent to, the man she had been bound to, the future she had been born into. So, when the kerosene was thrown, just a moment of surprise, a brilliant spark. It was the only choice that she had ever known. Another torch, blazing in the dark. Another woman, we shield our faces from the heat. Now let us see the synopsis of the poem and stanza-wise meaning. Sure, you may understand the central idea of the poem. Synopsis of the poem Another Woman. The poem Another Woman is about the domestic violence happening against women all over India. In this poem, the poetess Imtiaz Dharkar pathetically picturizes the condition of a woman in her mother-in-law's house. In the first stanza, a woman went to the market for purchasing vegetables. She buys methi in the market. She wishes for a radish. It should be white and sweet. But thinking it as an extravagance, she leaves her wish. She counts the coins carefully and ties them in the bundle at her waist. At home, her mother-in-law looks harshly. Woman handles the methi with care and chops them to make curry. While cooking, she tries to protect herself from the heat. In the second stanza, the mother-in-law starts cursing on her spending much money in the market. Mother-in-law harasses and says words against her parents. The woman listened to all by sitting bent in front of the kerosene stove. In the third stanza, the woman doesn't face her husband who comes home and listen silently. There was no right for her to speak in that house. In the fourth stanza, the woman has been sent to by her parents as a daughter-in-law. Before marriage, she has been getting lessons about how to behave at in-laws houses. So, the only option left in front of her is to take her life. At that moment, she submits her into the hands of the flames. In the last stanza, here her life ends. She is not the single victim of domestic violence. So many are there struggling much, same as this woman. But the society pays no attention to this and turns face in order to escape from the flames and blames. Are you being harassed by your husband or in-laws? Do they blame you for everything? Know your legal rights and understand the laws against the domestic violence in India. The domestic violences such as mental abuse or emotional abuse, economical abuse or financial abuse, and physical abuse. Empower yourself against domestic violence. You know the Act 2005 that protect women from domestic violence. I am Manzoor Ali. If you like my channel English Econ, subscribe and click on the bell icon. I will be making more videos. So stay connected.